Okay, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty's kitchen. I have mixed up some more oils, and I'm not going to forget the fragrance in this animal-inspired soap this time. Yes, this soap is inspired by the song Animal by Def Leppard. And oh my goodness, I cannot believe I absolutely forgot to put the fragrance in it last week. That's ridiculous. And I also looked in my batch book, and the colors are different. The base is going to be red, and I'm not going to make my own red. I'm going to use really red. But there's going to be brown, gold, white, and black in it. The black and the white are going to be very, very small swirls, but the brown and gold are going to be a little bit more heavy. In my bucket, I have my oils and butters, I have my yogurt already, my heavy cream, and yeah, that's it. In my lye water, it is a 50-50 mix of aloe vera juice and distilled water. It also has salt and sugar in it. And I got a really funny, just a short little story to tell you about Def Leppard. Oh my goodness. But let me get this to emulsification first. Okay. It's kind of funny. When I was in the 7th grade, at my school, junior high school, our principal, all of a sudden, I was in class, I don't even remember what class I was in or anything, but the principal came on the PA system, and he announced that a wallet was found, and it was black, and it said Def Leppard on it. Gotta love it, right? Oh my goodness, that was the funniest thing ever. Everybody in my classroom just was dying of laughter. It was too funny. Okay, so we just want a little bit of white. I mean, we're talking a little bit. There you go. And a little bit of black. Even in my batch book, I said a little bit. Okay, so we want our brown. Let me move the spatula. And this is not gold. It's the caramel butterscotch. So, and I seriously thought about, Renee sent me some snake keratin, snake skin. And I seriously thought about putting that in here. Just, because it's called Animal. So, get this batter down. But I did not. I do have another soap. My son Mason picked out a fragrance and named it. So we'll be making that in I don't know how many weeks, but we'll be making that. I'm going to stir these colors in really quick. Oh, I didn't even bring my mold out. That would be good, right? So there's my brown and my caramel. Can you see? Yeah, you can sort of see. I guess I could move the bowl. The white's gonna have to be done with my frother. Here's the black. And my white with the frother. There's very little bit of white here. It's all stuck on the bottom. And not very white. Well, they'll have to work. Because I don't have any more mixed up. Good enough. Let me grab my mold really quick before I put the red in there. Okay, so there's my mold. Let me put my really red in here, and I have to stick blend it because it's a pigment. A little bit more red than that. Okay, This is some pretty powerful stuff, so you actually don't need too much of it. All right, Simon, let's... And I didn't have notes in there that said the fragrance riced or sped up trace. So I hope it slows down trace, because this is really thick. I have my hanger tool ready, because in my batch book it said that I used my hanger tool. So, all right. Let's, the other ones are pretty thick too. Let's put this in here. Yay, fragrance. Oh, and not much for the black. This smells so good. And it's very familiar to me. So I will have to, well, always I leave the fragrance notes in the description box, but it's loosening up some. Loosening up some. Not much, but okay. Let me get the rest of this stirred in. I'm glad I didn't put it in the whole batch. I'm still being a little bit hotter than normal. I was done waiting for my oils to cool down. I was. There we go. Definitely loosened up my white, which is good. One more. Make sure it's nice and mixed up. Okay. Alright, so here's my mold. You may be plopping, guys. Alright, let's move you in a little bit closer. And then I'll move my mold so you can see it. Alright, so let's put our red. Yeah, definitely need the hanger tool. There's my red. I'm going to start with my black. Need a little bit for the top. And my white. I'm going to do another layer of white. Same with gold and the brown. There's the gold. And the brown. Wow, that's very thick. It's almost as thick as as I needed for smoking in the boys' room, which I'm also making today. My husband is up and my cat is meowing at him. I don't know if you heard him. He's like, Daddy, love me. My husband just got home yesterday from his fishing trip. Okay, there's that layer. Oh, I didn't have notes in there that this fragrance sped up or heated up, because it is definitely heating up. Okay, let's put some more brown in there. And with the, because this top layer, oh, I did not mean to put all that gold over there. This top layer, I'll just take a chopstick to it. I don't need much white. I do want to save some for the top. And just a little more black. I probably should have waited to use my hanger tool. Oh! Okay, let's put the rest of our red in. This is the perfect color red. This is exactly the red that it was the last time I made it. I feel awesome! Wow, I cannot believe how thick this is. I gotta stop soaping so hot. I've been impatient lately because I've got so much work to do. Okay, let me grab a quick, let me bang. I gotta do that with a chopstick. The skewer is too flimsy. So I just want to swirl the top a little bit. Alright, there we go. And I want and I need, and I love animal. Oh, sorry. If you haven't heard the song, as usual, I post the audio version of it in the description box. Bang this again because it's really thick and I want to make sure it's even. So let's decorate the top now. Yay! I get to decorate the top like immediately. That's kind of cool. I like that. I don't usually get to do that. I'm going to put my white and gold on the top. Woo! Need some brown there. And some brown there. Okay, let's get the rest of our black. It's kind of funny, you can barely tell the difference between the brown and the black. I'm sorry, I'm concentrating. So I'm not talking as much. When we cut the soap, I'm gonna go over my extreme admiration for the boys in Def Leppard because they are completely amazingly awesome as far as being a band and a family. I mean, not like I know them personally or anything, but you know, all the interviews and you know, behind the scenes kind of things you watch on VH1, you learn a lot about bands that you like. And the album that this comes off of is called Hysteria. And Hysteria, oh my goodness, such a great album. Front to back, such a great album. This is also the album that has Pour Some Sugar on Me, which we made recently. Although I didn't name that one. One of my customers named that one. And I'm definitely going to have to bang this down before we decorate it. Okay. Now I get all this stuff off me. Alright, let's bang it. Clean it up, and then we will... I don't know why I put my chopstick in the sink. I knew I was going to need it. I don't want a wooden one. I want a stainless steel one. There we go. Alright. I'm definitely going to have to take my my potato peeler to that. Okay, bang it one more time. There we go, guys. So in 18 to 24 hours, we will cut this a beautiful baby. And I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. We are back to cut animal. And I want. And I need. And I love. Animal. Sorry. I've actually been listening to Hysteria like on repeat. The album Hysteria, which this, you know, this song that the soap is inspired by is on this album. I've been listening to it on repeat since I made the soap. See how when I said that the caramel butterscotch color definitely looks gold, but it doesn't have the shimmer. So, did I run my hanger through this? I don't remember. It's been 6 days, you guys. I'm terrible. I've just been so stinking busy. I've been making anywhere from 3 to 5 soaps a night. And it's just been, you know, craziness. Oh, I had to have run my hanger through that. That is, yeah, that's a hanger swirl. Now that I'm looking at it. Yeah, I had to really take a look at it. That's a hanger swirl. So I'm pretty sure. I guess I'll know when I edit the video. Ooh, the video. What is it with me and dropping soap on itself? This is remarkably soft still, considering this is my Osiris recipe. It's harder to go through than, you know, I've already done smoking in the, I've already cut, well, I don't know if you'll see that before this, after that, I don't know. I've already cut one of my raw ones, and this is significantly more difficult to go through, but still. Wow, I really like the swirls, you guys. This turned out amazing. And by the way, this fragrance is divine. absolutely divine. So hopefully everybody's week went good. I had a good week. I'm just, like I said, really super busy. So super busy. And I ran out of olive oil, so I gotta wait for that to be delivered. I got 12 gallons coming. I think I may have mentioned that last week, or maybe I mentioned it next week. I don't know. But, oh wow, how did I get an air hole in there? Let me cover that up. There we go. Air hole gone. So that must mean that there's an air hole on this side too. To check it. I like the way that this top turned out too. Hold on, I'll show you the bar. Check out that top. And it's got a texture to it, Let me check to see if there's an air hole on this one. No. How did I just get an air hole on one side of my soap? That was weird. Okay. Moving right along. Okay, you guys are probably like, come on, lady. Let's go. We got a dip. Okay. I really like it. This is one of those designs that sometimes I wonder, when I put the colors together in my head all this, because I have it written down in my batch book. And every time I picture the colors together, I picture them not working. And I've made this soap several times, and, it always turns out really well. But, I don't know. I can't. It's just one of those soaps where you go, I don't know. Yeah. I really like the way it turned out. Okay, last piece, guys. And as always, I very much appreciate all of you sticking with me and all the love and support you show my channel. That's gonna have to be planed. It got jacked up. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are so awesome. So I will see you next week. Bye-bye.